So in this video, we're going to talk about how we plot our data set, especially that we want to create a scatter plot to see if there's a linear relationship between our two variables. So we inserted our two data sets, the one data set, the year, and the sales or revenue. So to plot them, we do a simple code where we have the plot, and then I say df. Df is the data set we called, and then I add a dollar sign to call which variable I want. What does that mean? Let me show you. So df dollar sign, it gives me the variables in the data set. In this case, I want the x to be year, and then here I have df dollar sign, and I want the sales or revenue to be my dependent variable. And let's run this code. And then here we get it in the plots box. So let's zoom in. And what we see is on the y-axis, which is our dependent variable, sales or revenue. On the x-axis, we have the year starting from 2004 all the way to 2018. We can see some type of linear relationship, which we ran the correlation. We found that the correlation between the two variables 0.466.